Hey guys, it's Marion from MarionLoveNotes.com, and today I just want to do a really quick intro to our travel vlog in Jamaica. Ken actually did this vlog for me because I had to go back to the room to attend a trip, but this was our first dinner there at the resort, and we chose a hibachi grill as our first dinner, and it was just such a fun experience. Our chef, she sang some wonderful, beautiful songs, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. I know it's a really short vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're new here. I do a lot of travel vlogs, and I do a lot of stay-at-home, day-in-the-life type of vlogs. But let's get back to Jamaica.
So your normal person isn't here to go ahead and record these videos, so while she's taking care of the baby, we'll go ahead and try. Hey! I'm gonna try to go ahead and do the thing for her as I got photo bomb or camera bomb. Hey, 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 hey. For real, for real. Every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Hey! Hey! Alright! Hey!
So do you all?
You're in the wrong job. Yep. Gonna take you to Hollywood.
So do you also know the famous song which is "Let's get together and drink red Sprite"?
Amen.
Very nice. You sing very well.
Hey!
So we're moving on to your baby.